The most important service that we offer here at Mosaicist is custom planning and designing for our clients. We take the already existing architecture, the existing style of the architecture, and we're able to put it together in certain line drawings, renderings, and sketches to be able to show the client what the actual outcome is going to look like. The way that we do this is by implementing line drawings, renders, hand sketches, and we're able to show the client how it's all going to come together before the manufacturing process takes place.